Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Google Gemini AI in 2026. Whether you want help with writing, coding, studying, or everyday tasks, Gemini makes it easy. So let's get started. First, open the Gemini app on your Android or iPhone, or visit the Gemini website in your web browser. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main screen, tap the text box and type your question or request. You can ask Gemini to write emails, summarize documents, generate ideas, translate languages, solve math problems, explain complex topics, or even write and debug code. For more accurate responses, be as specific as possible. The more details you include in your prompt, the better Gemini can understand what you need. You can also upload images, documents, or other supported files and ask Gemini to analyze them, summarize their contents, or answer questions about them. If you're not satisfied with the first response, simply edit your prompt or ask a follow-up question. Gemini remembers the conversation, making it easy to continue without starting over. Once you're happy with the result, you can copy the response or share it with others. Gemini is a powerful AI assistant that can help with work, school, programming, research, and everyday productivity. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.